Deleting photos from iCloud is simple, okay? So it just involves simple steps. So let's get started. First, open your Safari browser. As the browser opens, visit iCloud.com. Okay? Then search. As the iCloud page opens, I'm logged in automatically because I saved my details here. Okay? But in your own case, you'll be required to log in with your iCloud email address, okay, and your password. Once you log in, you'll be landed on a page that looks like this. Then scroll down. Because our interest is to delete photos, okay, tap on Photos option. As the Photos page opens, you will see all your photos that are synced on iCloud. So tap on Select. Then tap on any of the photos you want to delete. So let me delete this. Then once you select a photo, some icons will show up at the bottom part of the photos page. Alright, so and one of them is delete, okay, which is 1 2 3, the third icon. So tap on delete. It asks you delete one item from all your devices. Just tap delete and this photo is gone. Okay, if you want to delete more than one photos, tap on select. Then select the photos or the videos you even want to delete, because both your videos and your photos that are saved on iCloud are placed in one folder, which is photos folder. Okay, then select all the images or the videos you want to delete. Okay, once you're done with the selection, tap on delete and all of them are gone. Okay, let me highlight on something. If whenever you take pictures or record videos on your iPhone, they are all automatically saved on iCloud and you don't like that, you can disable it. Okay, so what you need to do is tap on settings, tap on your iCloud, then tap on iCloud. On this page, tap on photos. You can see here, sync this iPhone is disabled. Okay, and that means that anytime I take record videos or take pictures with this my iPhone, they are not automatically placed on iCloud. Are you getting it? So by default, this button is turned on. Okay, but I don't want that, so I will turn it off. All right. Okay, so once you turn this off, you'll find out that anytime you take pictures or you record videos on your device, they stay locally on your device. So these are just the simple steps you need to take to delete photos from iCloud, and how to set your phone so that it doesn't upload videos and photos automatically on iCloud whenever you record or you take pictures with it. Thank you for staying to the end of this video. Please hit that like button for me, okay? Subscribe to my channel if you have not done that, and leave a comment in the comment section. Thank you and see you some other time.